DJI has earned its reputation as an innovator in drone technology, creating products that inspire creativity and exploration. Recently, leaks have revealed intriguing details about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a compact yet powerful drone that could redefine expectations for lightweight models. Its design appears to retain the sub-250g weight class, a feature that makes it exempt from registration requirements in many regions. This is a significant advantage for users who value portability and convenience without compromising on functionality. One of the most exciting features rumored for the Mini 5 Pro is the advanced LiDAR sensors. These sensors are expected to take obstacle avoidance to a whole new level, ensuring safe and precise flights even in challenging environments. This innovation reflects DJI's dedication to enhancing user experience and delivering cutting-edge technology. Another standout feature is the inclusion of a 1-inch camera sensor, a major upgrade for aerial photography enthusiasts. This sensor promises sharper image quality and better performance in low-light conditions, making it ideal for capturing stunning visuals from above. Additionally, the drone is likely to support vertical shooting modes, catering specifically to social media creators who need content optimized for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Beyond its design and camera capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro also impresses with its performance. With an anticipated flight time of 50 minutes, users can enjoy longer sessions without interruptions. The drone's range of up to 25 kilometers further expands its versatility, allowing for exploration over greater distances. Enhanced AI-powered tracking is another exciting addition, providing greater autonomy and creative freedom. This feature could enable smoother tracking of moving subjects, making it easier to capture dynamic shots with precision. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is not just another lightweight drone, it represents a new standard in compact drone technology. Its innovative features and user-centric design could inspire future developments in the industry. Whether you're an experienced drone pilot or a beginner exploring this hobby, the Mini 5 Pro offers something for everyone. As leaks continue to generate excitement, the anticipation for an official announcement grows. Enthusiasts are eager to see how DJI will shape the future of lightweight drones with this release. The Mini 5 Pro could be a game-changer, showcasing how technology and design can work together to unlock new possibilities. Stay tuned for updates, and thank you for joining us in exploring this exciting chapter in DJI